Hello, good afternoon. Yeah, this is our second machine to make equipment to make rice house, carbonated rice house here in the Philippines. Well, it's like a metal drum with holes. I'll make photo after, you can see. And we started the fire 3 hours ago, and every 10-15 minutes you gotta turn. The outside goes inside, the inside goes outside until it's all charcoal. It takes, this is 20 bags, about 1 cubic. When you start it's 1 cubic, when it's finished it's less. It reduces. So you move this 1 cubic probably 3 times per hour. It's very light material, so it's not hard at all. It's just like feather, you know, just like house. Okay, so you can see it's smoking very good. Actually, the smoke is not from the fire in the drum. It's a very low fire. It's a rice house turned into carbon, to charcoal. We call this biochar, or here they call it carbonated rice house, CRH to be short. Okay, here's a big bamboo behind us, behind there, and yeah. So I will show you more view when we get closer here. Okay, so it's hot. Yeah, it goes about 6 hours for this volume for 1 cubic. 1 cubic maybe makes 700 liter of biochar, and that's enough to spread on probably, well, I put about 1 bucket per square meter, so that's maybe good for, I would say 30 square meter, 40, maybe 50 square meter, depends how much you put. Okay, it's best to inoculate with compost before you put it in the garden, and of course it's very useful when you mix it with vermicompost, other compost, real soil, to make for the seedlings, you know, because here you cannot buy ready mix, you have to make everything. So that's what we use, about 25% of each: vermicompost, rice husk, carbonated, some local soil, and yeah, 2 kinds of soil, a little lime, you know. You make a whole mixture. Okay, enjoy it. Hopefully one day you can do it. Hello, this is getting ready.